This your boy Marcus and Reggie. About to kill that cat daddy.
Bruh. I can hardly see. You got a bad headphone, bro. Oh, no. Go, Marcus. We gotta show this because this happened.